Hi there, my name's Jeff. This is our Induma turret mill. It's got the main head here and also a high-speed head on the back. 3-phase. I think the main head here is about 2 horsepower and the high-speed head is about 0.8 of a horsepower. It's got a coolant system on it, but I noticed when you switch the pump on here, I couldn't hear it running, so that may need looking at. General condition is really tidy. Everything moves nicely on it, and yeah, the condition of it's very nice. The whole head assembly swivels here in the middle. Obviously it slides back and forward. The front main head swivels around and also tilts forward and back to about 45 degrees by the look of that. And the high speed head doesn't tilt, but it does swivel around. The high speed head's got the Clarkson chuck on it. I think that's got a 3MT taper there, and it's got about 4 collets there, imperial collets. The feeds here is 12 speeds of feed, and also it's got the rapid and all the axes. Self-oiler there and here. It's got the quill handle there. It's got the automatic feeds, downward feeds for the quill. I think there's about 3 speeds and it trips off, etc. Variable speed control for this. Now this has got a high and a low gear range on it, and it's in high at the moment and I can't get it into low, so there's a fault there. So it's in high range, and we've got the variable speed controller here. It's got a button here for locking the head, so you can undo and do things up, etc. Yeah, your 3 speeds for your quill here. And that's pretty much most of it. The bed's nice and tidy. General condition, as I said, is very tidy. Just that coolant pump that doesn't work. The stops on all the axes work. So let's just have a look here. That's going up on the knee, and that's going down. Up. Down. Got a bit of a squeak there, probably needs a bit more oil on it. Up. And we'll start our wee electric motor up for our feeds and our rapids for the X and the Y. So that's the rapid going that way, and that's the rapid, the X. I'll change the direction of that. So that's the opposite direction on the rapid there, and change the direction of that one, and opposite on the cross. And in regards to the feeds, we just push this lever down and that's automatically feeding the cross in. Now I'll change that to the table. That's automatically feeding the longitude table that way. And I'll stop that, push it the other direction, and now it's feeding the table towards me. An automatic feed. And now it's withdrawing the cross, heading towards the camera. So it changes it in and out of the feeds very well. It's got the rapid and all the axes, which is working there. So we can stop that now. And this is your made head running there. Anti-clockwise, and it's running clockwise. I'll engage the feeds. That's the feed running there. that's the feed running in one direction and the other direction. And I've engaged the feed there, it's heading down, and it should automatically stop when it hits the stop there. Yep, so that's popped out. And we've got our 3 speeds in the feed. So that's that quill feed working. And disengage that. The variable speed here, it's got a RPM gauge on it. So you push that up into position and it reads the RPM. So at the moment it's on 1250. Just speed it up. It's about 1800. 2000 RPM there. Drop it back down. 1500. 13. 12. So that variable adjuster is working. And yeah, the forward and reverse on that. You can operate, I'll just turn it off, you can operate it from down here, or there's a switch up there. Okay, we will get the high speed head running, and again you can operate that. Oh, okay, I've got to turn that off. Turn that off. You can operate that main high-speed head from that control panel there, or this control panel back here. So there that is running. I'm not sure how many RPM it's set at, but it sounds very fast. So that's running one direction there. And I'll turn it the other direction. That's running the other direction there. I'll turn it back again to the other direction. So there that is, that's got a speed range of 740 RPM to 10,200. It's got a manual operated quill. There's no automatic quill feeds or anything like that. So that's the high speed head and the main head, and that's pretty much it. You've got your rapids and your feeds, which we've gone over, the wee manual oiling there. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. As I've said, the condition's really tidy, and there it all is.